Hey everyone, I'm super excited to take you behind the scenes of a project I've been working on. This script uses advanced face recognition technology to monitor a video feed from my old CCTV camera, identify people, and even send alerts through Telegram. We'll walk through the code, step by step, so grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. First off, let's look at the imports. Here, I'm using InsightFace for face analysis, OpenCV for video processing, NumberPy for mathematical calculations, and a few other libraries for utilities like text-to-speech, logging, and sending alerts via Telegram. Initialize the face analysis model. Here, I'm loading the high-accuracy ARC face model. Setting CTX_ID equals -1 makes it run on the CPU. If you have a GPU, you can configure it to take advantage of that for faster processing. I have used CV2 to capture the stream from my old CCTV camera, and you can set the video capture value as 0 to use your webcam if needed. These are the faces our system will recognize. Each key is a label, and the value is the file path to an image. Here, I'm pre-computing the face embeddings for all known individuals. These embeddings are mathematical representations of a face, which will compare to the faces detected in real time. This is the main loop where we process each frame of the video. If reading fails, we log the error and exit the loop. Here, we detect faces in the frame and filter them based on confidence, size, and clarity. For each valid face, we calculate its embedding and find the closest match from our known faces. Once we found a valid frame, it's written to a file and to a video stream and saved for testing purpose. Mainly if it's a known face, then first checked if the face was detected earlier with an hour of gap to eliminate spamming our Telegram channel. Once it's not a duplicate face, then a notification is sent to my Telegram channel with the captured frame as an image. Lastly, the announce function will voice alert the person my home, alerting that a visitor is entered the premise. Finally, we release the video stream and clean up resources. This ensures no memory leaks or unnecessary processes are left running. I will now show you a demo on how it works. Notice how the captured frames appear instantly in my Telegram channel with the corresponding label, whether it's a recognized person or marked as unknown. And here's the local folder where all the saved frames are stored. Each file is neatly labeled and time-stamped, making it super easy to organize and review the data later. That's it. We just explored an advanced face recognition system that combines computer vision, AI, and messaging. This is a great tool for security or monitoring your home or office. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how you'd use this system or what you'd like to see next. I have added the full source code in my website at the description for this test project.